Hey there, trappers. Thanks for watching another video. Today we're making a dirt hole set for coyotes. Let's get started. Now we're out in this hayfield, and well, it's not a hayfield, but we're going to call it a hayfield today for demonstration purposes. And first thing you want to do is always pick a location. Right here, we got a trail. You can't see because we just mowed, but there's a brush pile back there. Go to check that for food and everything that run down this trail. It's a good spot. Got that for backing. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the hole. Take a piece of rebar, base of the tree. Drive it down in there about a 45 and ream it out real nice and big. Make it where they can see it pretty good. You want it so big that they can just reach their nose down in there and grab what you got in there, but you want it big enough that they can see it. So I'd say it's pretty good. And, now we'll got our sifter here. Trap I'm using is an MB550. I just use 2 coils because the 4 coils, I just feel like it's overkill, not necessary. So stick with the 2. Also using a drag. You might think that coyote will run away if it's on a drag. It's not going very far. If you can put this on your foot and walk 100 yards, I'll never cross you. So just take this. If you want to make sure that it doesn't run away, you can pre-hook it. Just hook it to a tree, wrap it around, and it'll definitely be there. You may think the coyote's going to run off if he's on a drag, and that's just not the case. He's not going to go very far at all. So you can just toss that out there like that. Set your trap. Now what you're going to do is dig your hole for where your trap's going to be. You want to make about a hand width from your hole, edge of your hole, to the center of where your pan's going to be. And just put it down in there. Make sure it's got to be really solid. If it's not solid, he'll come in and he'll step on part of that jaw, and it'll move, and he'll either know something's up and run off, or he'll get curious and he'll dig your trap up. And both of those situations are very bad. So make sure that trap is very solid. Hey, just push it down in there and twist it. Whatever you got to do to make it as solid as possible. I like to take the dirt around it, push down, kind of pinches that trap in there really well. I even take my hammer sometimes and beat down in there. Want to cover your chain up too, because if he sees that chain, but you don't have to cover it up very far, a foot or 2, just arm's length. He's not going to pay attention to anything past that. So like this right here, take some grass, leaves if you're in the woods. I like to set out in hayfields though, especially fresh cut ones, because these mowers come in, they kill all the mice and stuff, and those coyotes will come in after those mice. And next thing you're going to do once you've got your trap solid is take your sifter and your dirt, cover that thing up. Get some dirt outside where your trap's at, don't worry. because the coyotes think another coyote buried something here, or that a mouse dug a hole and he's after that mouse. So whatever they're thinking. Take those rocks, use it for guiding on one side. Make him walk where you want him to. Alright. We'll take our lure. Okay. This is a Wiley Red lure by Hallbakers. Take a stick, get off the ground, get down in there. It's strong stuff. You just set that right there at the edge of your hole. Don't get any of this stuff on you because it smells awful. Take your urine, put a little bit there, like a coyote marked it. And you put your bait down in that hole, and you're ready to go on to the next set. That right there is a finished product. See, I just covered up just the chain as far as I could reach. He's not going to pay attention to anything else past that. And that's it. My trap is right there. All right. See y'all on the next one.